These wonderful games are done by the Claude Artifact. In this video, you will see the amazing capabilities of the Claude Artifact, how to create a game using it. And the best part is, you can use it even without premium subscription, and it's actually a free feature for everyone. This tool lets you run code directly within Claude AI's interface without needing to leave the platform. You cannot only generate the code but also see the final result instantly, which is pretty amazing. So in this video, I will explain exactly what Claude AI Artifacts is, show you how to enable it, and walk you through how to create a simple game with it. And yes, I will even show you how to make a playable game right inside Claude. So let's talk about what Claude AI Artifacts is. In a short, it's a feature that allows Claude AI to display additional content alongside the text responses. For example, if you ask Claude to generate code for a website or a game, it will not only provide the textual code, but it will also show you the final output in real time on the screen. Meaning, you can see your website or game functioning live without needing to copy and paste the code into your own environment. Previously, you would have had to manually copy the generated code, paste it into an IDE and run it to see the results. With Artifacts, Claude does allow all that for you within the same window, making it super convenient for testing and tweaking the code on the fly. So how do you enable this feature? It's really simple. All you need to do is log into your Claude AI account, then go to your profile by clicking on your email in the top corner, and from the drop-down menu, select Feature Preview. You will see an option for Artifacts. Make sure it's toggled on. Once that's done, you are ready to start using it.
There's a lot of question marks.
Here, what I will do, I will type in a simple request like, I want to create a video game. Please generate a video game character for playing an obstacle game. Let's see what Claude comes up with. It has provided the concept for obstacle game character and named it as Sapphire. As you can see, Claude has given the game's basic info in the left side and also given its appearance, ability, personality, and progression system. It's also asking about, would you like me to elaborate on any aspect of Sapphire, or would you prefer to modify any part of this character concept? I'm typing, please generate the character in pixel. As you can see, Claude generated a simple pixel art representation of Sapphire using SVG over here on the right side. You can read the character breakdown of the character design on the left side. Breakdown of the character design consists of body, head, hair, limbs. Claude has given the breakdown of the character design. It's asking if you would like to add more detail in the design. Now let's take this to the next level. Let's do some modifications to the character to make it even more visually appealing. I will go ahead and say, please change the color to make it visually appealing, keep simple colors, and make the characters with hand and legs. Let's see what Claude comes up with. Claude redesigned the character and done some modifications in the body color, hair, eyes, hands and feet, and overall structure. The breakdown it has given is, for the body color, change to a vibrant blue which is more visually appealing and maintains the ethereal quality of Sapphire. For hair, a golden yellow color to represent energy and movement. For eyes, kept white to maintain the glowing effect. For hands and feet, added in a light salmon color to provide contrast and make them stand out from the body. For overall structure, the character now has more defined arms, legs, hands, giving it a more complete humanoid appearance while still keeping the design simple. Claude is asking, would you like me to explain how you might animate this character for your game, or would you prefer to make any further adjustment to the design? I will say, please keep legs separate. You can see over here on the right side, the legs are not properly aligned. So I will ask, please keep previous character, it was better. Let's see what Claude generates now. Let's give Claude the detail about the game we want. I am giving the prompt. Let's create a video game. Make it a simple game where obstacle will come from front. The character can jump to save itself. Also, while jumping, it can collect bonus point if collides with coins and move it to the next level after completion of the first level. Claude is taking time. Let's see what it generates. Claude has given it a name as Zephyr's Dash and outlined the game mechanics and provided a basic structure for implementation of the game. It also has given the basic pseudocode structure to help start implementing the game. As well as you can see, parallelly over the right side, it has given more details on the right side. It's regarding start screen, gameplay, level complete, game over, as well as it has given details about the level design, level 1, level 2, level 3 and technical implementation notes. So every output which Claude is generating, it is giving the details in the left side as well as on the right side. Now Claude wants us to fill in the details of each method, handle graphics and sound and implement the specific game mechanics which Claude outlined. Claude is asking, would you like me to elaborate on any specific part of the game design or implementation? Or would you prefer guidance on setting up the development environment for creating this game? So I am asking, ask me questions if you need to make a better game. And Claude had asked questions for refining the game design. Other points are regarding power-ups, character abilities, visual style, platforms, scoring system, audio, game length, monetization. I am giving some of the pointers to improve the game. Increase the speed and introduce new types of difficult obstacles. Include double jump ability. Keep dash move ability as well. Keep a natural landscape. Keep it for both. Show score, sound effects for actions and keep 2 levels. Let's see what output Claude gives. It has given different suggestions regarding obstacle generation, speed scaling, cross-platform development, audio system and visual design. Now let's ask Claude to code the game. Now Claude has given some suggestions regarding running this game. To run this game, you will need to have Pygame installed. You can install it using pip. As well as Claude has given the main game script over the right side. You can see it has coded the thing. And also it mentioned this is a basic implementation and there is room for improvement, like adding graphics instead of color rectangles, implementing sound effects, creating a start screen and game over screen, refining obstacle patterns and coin placement, adding parallax scrolling for the background. We want a preview of this game to be showed in this platform only. So we'll ask that thing to Claude so that we can see the preview of the game. I'm giving the prompt as, let's provide the preview of the game in React component for seeing how the game would work. Let's see what Claude generates. Claude had given some details about the preview in the left side, the player character, obstacles, coins, score and level display. But we can see that on the right side, it's showing unsupported libraries or icons detected. So we are unable to see that preview of the game. Let's ask Claude to do it again. Let's give Claude some more instructions to make the game better. I will ask, start the game from 0, show the Zephyr pixel art character standing in the beginning, obstacle coming from front and moving game. Show the option to start the game. Let's see what Claude comes up with. Now you can see that Claude had given the preview of the game again, and this time it is looking much better than the previous one. And also it has given some details in the left hand side that this start screen gives a basic idea of how the game will look and function. It's interactive with the moving obstacle and clickable start button providing a glimpse of the game's dynamics. So we can start the game and see how it looks. Great. Now it's so easy to create the preview of the game using Claude, and the game is really amazing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content.